All right, Dad. So my son spends so much time in a world I don't understand. Not just playing Minecraft, but watching it, talking about it, dreaming about it. And somewhere along the way, I realized if I want to understand him, I should probably start by understanding his world. The problem is, that world is Minecraft. And Minecraft makes absolutely no sense to me. But at the end of the day, I figured it's just a game. I mean, I grew up playing games. How hard can it be? So I called up another dad. No guidance, no tutorials. We just jumped in, figured we'd just master this thing in a few minutes. We didn't.
Okay, how do I open your door? I might just break it. What if I just... Yes. I'm in here. Nani. Okay, can I ask you a question? All right, boys, I need your help. Are we playing in survival mode versus non-survival mode?
Yeah.
We're playing survival mode? Okay, what's the difference between this game I'm playing? You know, this is really tight quarters for two men in one room. I'm just not gonna lie to you.
3 men.
3 men? Wait, there's 3 men? There's another man in here? What is that? There's somebody in here? Lying down on the bed, man! No, wait, no. The question, I want my own space.
Yo, if you get one of them, they'll give you.
No, they will not give me a prize. They'll try to trick me. What's that thing that's coming towards me?
It'll give you. Yeah. No, you're close.
Well, you can't come in, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, oh, not! I'm sorry! What is...
Just close the door.
Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. Help me understand the purpose of the game that I'm playing right now. What's the purpose of what we're doing?
Spoiler alert. His answer didn't help me.
Okay, hold on. Oh, it's daytime, so the zombies are gone? And what's this, a lion? Oh, sorry.
Not even a little bit. Okay, so admittedly, things weren't going well. But if the worst I had to face were these little zombies and spiders, I figured I should be fine.
Wait, he's riding a horse?
Yeah, so I was wrong about that too.
Now go. Punk? He can still chase me!
So it was here, almost an hour later, watching the other dad stuck on a horse, still not able to find a way to get off of the horse. That it hit me. Maybe Minecraft is a little bit harder than I thought it was. So I scrapped the dad versus dad idea and decided it was time for me to get back in the lab. So this is my training arc. One lesson at a time. My son will teach me Minecraft, while judging me, of course. And maybe, just maybe, it's not about the game. Maybe it's about trying to understand the worlds our kids love, instead of just nodding from the couch. But first, blocks. Lots and lots of blocks.